Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize the iPhone home screen. First, you need to open your App Store on your iPhone. Inside the App Store, use the search bar at the bottom to type Vids widget and press enter. Once you find the Vids widget app, tap on Get to initiate the installation. Confirm the installation by using your device's side button. While still in the App Store, search for Shortcut and install the application by tapping on Get and confirming the installation. Return to your home screen and tap and hold on a space until a menu appears. Select Customize. Tap on Choose Wallpaper and select either lock screen or home screen. Swipe up to access various customization options. Swipe left to explore different wallpapers. If you want to customize the font, choose Fonts and select your preferred style and size. To clean up your home screen, long press on an application, then tap on Other Apps to group them. Move them to a blank home screen. Tap on the three dots at the bottom and uncheck the second home screen to hide it. Search for Vids in your app library. Open the application and tap Continue multiple times. Choose the icon you prefer, then tap Continue to proceed. You can customize your widgets using this app. Scroll down and go to Data Usage. Tap on Edit as a copy, then tap Continue. Go back to your home screen. Open the widget gallery and select the widget you customize. Place it on your home screen. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and see you in the next one.